Here's a glimpse into the seamless moving process with SDC International Shipping. 1. Consultation and planning. Begin your journey by scheduling a consultation with us at SDC International Shipping. Our experienced team will work with you to understand your moving needs, timeline, and budget, and create a tailored plan to ensure a smooth transition. 2. Packing and preparation. Say goodbye to the stress of packing. We offer professional packing services to carefully wrap and secure your belongings for the long journey ahead. From fragile items to furniture, your possessions are in safe hands. 3. Shipping and logistics. Sit back and relax as we handle the logistics of your move. With our expertise in international shipping, your belongings will be transported effectively and securely to your new home in England. From custom clearance to delivery, we manage every step of the process. 4. Arrival and settling in. Once your belongings arrive in England, we ensure a hassle-free delivery to your new residence. Our team will unpack and set up your items, allowing you to focus on settling into your new surroundings and embrace the expat life. 5. Additional services. Beyond basic moving services, SDC International Shipping offers additional services to cater to your specific needs. Whether you require storage solutions, vehicle shipping, or pet relocation assistance, we have you covered every step of the way.